Hi, I'm John Batcher from Cleaning World. I'm going to talk a little bit about what you would expect when we come in to do your warehouse floors. To my left here, this is one of our 3 T20s. These machines are huge. They're awesome. They do a great job. As you can see, the brushes that we have here, this is for a softer, not as dirty floor. This is really a coarse brush. It's more of a grit brush, and this will do a much deeper scrub. This is a much smaller machine. And then we have T5s that are bigger than this that will do, if they have smaller areas within the warehouse, you know, down the aisles or what have you, then we'll bring some of these in. When we go into any kind of a warehouse, there's nothing we can't do. When it comes to equipment, we just don't skimp. We get the best equipment there is. We only use professional products. We'll put disinfectant in, take our power washing truck, apply it with the power washer, put it on the floor, let it sit for 10-15 minutes. And then between the degreaser and the disinfectant, which is a really strong disinfectant by Diversary, it'll do a really, really nice job. Our guys are just phenomenal. We wouldn't be where we're at without them. If you need anything with warehouse floors, definitely give us a call and we'll get you all taken care of.